Hey guys, welcome back to another one. And these next two videos, they're just going to be about some news that recently came out. As we all know, the crypto market has kind of turned around since I guess the past couple months where it's been trending downwards and then it was just flat for a little bit. And now it looks like it's skyrocketing back to the moon, hopefully. And one of the two cryptos that have been leading the pack, one, of course, Ethereum with their EIP 1559, but the other one is Cardano. They are releasing smart contracts here soon, and we'll check out the price action. I mean, it has been skyrocketing quite a bit. So we'll dig into it. The crypto market cap hits $2 trillion as Cardano flips BNB, so Binance. We'll check out this article here. In the early hours today, the cryptocurrency market cap crossed $2 trillion mark benchmark as Cardano's native token, ADA, flips Binance's BNB in market cap on news of its official smart contract launch date. So this is pretty big for Cardano. I know it's been out for a long time. It has a huge fan base. It has awesome developers. Part of the Ethereum developers, they kind of forked off and did their own thing and started making Cardano. And they're starting from scratch. They're doing their peer review thing, and it takes a little bit longer. But if they do come out with these smart contracts, which they do have a date, and they work without any bugs, I mean, it definitely is the next big thing for Cardano, and definitely, not even necessarily a competitor to Ethereum, because every one of these cryptocurrencies, they can work side by side, but definitely, somewhat of a competition between the two, between Cardano and Ethereum. So that's essentially what this article is just continuing to hit on, is the cryptocurrency market cap has been on a bullish run in the last month. So it was around 1.3 trillion, but it has gained over 53% since then to that $2 trillion mark. And just to put this in perspective, guys, I mean, Apple, one company on the New York Stock Exchange, although it's a big company, its entire market cap is $2 trillion. I think Microsoft as well crossed the $2 trillion mark, but these are just individual companies. So that's how young this cryptocurrency space still is. And let's check it out. Some other articles. So this is why it just started blasting off, was this Alonzo upgrade, and the date was revealed. So it jumped 16% afterwards. So Cardano is looking to upgrade the network. IOHK, they came out, they tweeted that on September 12th will be the day for the upgrade. And that was one of the initial catalysts for their huge jump in price. And then if we look at the cryptocurrency prices by market cap, of course, Bitcoin's number one, Ethereum's number two, and then let's check out Cardano is now number three, and they just passed Binance Coin, BNB, for that number three spot. So now BNB is number four. So BNB, can't really look at the price difference because the price of BNB is $404. The price of Cardano is $2.18. But the thing to look at is the market cap. So the market cap of BNB is 67 billion, and then the market cap of Cardano now is $69 billion. So if we look at the past 24-hour change, Cardano is up 6%, BNB is pretty flat, and then past 7-day change, this is what really made Cardano skyrocket. BNB is only up 14% over the past 7 days, which is awesome. Don't get me wrong, that is still really good. But Cardano is up 49% over the past 7 days, and that, because of the smart contracts, has boosted the overall crypto market cap. That is some of the latest news that has come out. So I just wanted to relay that. I know hopefully you have seen the news. If not, here is the news, and I'll definitely keep you up to date as long as other new cryptocurrencies that have recently popped onto my radar. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know on the next one or in the comments below. I'll see y'all.